If you are suffering from sleeping disorder, or have a habit to sleep late at night, here are some steps you can take to change behaviors and lifestyle to help you get to sleep. It might seem tempting, but sleeping until noon on Saturday will only disrupt your biological clock and cause more sleep problems. Going to bed at the same time every night, even on weekends, holidays, and other days off, helps to establish your internal sleep-wake clock. Cut out the food and drinks that contain caffeine, such as coffee, tea, soft drinks, and chocolate, by mid-afternoon. Make dinner your lightest meal and finish it a few hours before bedtime. Skip spicy or heavy foods, which can keep you awake with heartburn or indigestion. A National Sleep Foundation (NSF) survey found that nearly all participants used some type of electronics, like a television, computer, video game, or cell phone, within the last hour before going to bed. That's a bad idea. Light from these devices stimulates the brain, making it harder to wind down. Put your gadgets away an hour before bedtime. Light tells your brain that it's time to wake up, so make your room as dark as possible for sleep. Even a small amount of ambient light from your cell phone or computer can disrupt the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep cycles and overall sleep. Your bed should be associated with sleeping, not working, eating, or watching TV. If you wake up during the night, skip turning on your laptop or TV, and do something soothing like meditating or reading until you feel sleepy again.